Hi girls, do you also struggle with makeup blending and your eyeshadow never looks smooth or professional? So don't worry, this amazing new blending kit is here to make your makeup super easy. This kit helps you blend eyeshadow perfectly, giving you a soft, flawless and professional look in just minutes. The brushes are soft, easy to use and perfect for beginners as well as makeup lovers. I have explained the complete method of using this product in this video, so make sure you watch till the end. If you like this product and want more beauty tips and makeup videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. So take care. Bye bye.